Hi friends, my name is Miss Orr, like yes or no. You're welcome to call me Miss Orr, Miss O, whatever feels comfortable. I'm here to introduce myself because I'm going to be in your classroom from February until May as a block student to learn from your amazing teacher and you guys. I wanted to let you get to know me first by starting off with some things that I really enjoy. I love being in musicals, and this top left photo is me when I was Annie in Annie, and those two are my amazing grandparents. I always appreciated how they would come out to support me, much like the rest of my family, my mom, my dad, sister, brother, and nephew. The top right photo is also something that I enjoy doing, which is having my picture taken. I love to model, and this one in particularly was very fun as it had a ring light, if any of you have seen a ring light, so it made my eyes glow and sparkle, which I thought made a fun photo. The bottom photo, in my opinion, says the most about me. To start, the quote in the center: "Stay positive, work hard, make it happen." That speaks very loudly to me because I am trying to stay positive, work hard, and achieve the dream of becoming a teacher one day. The pictures surrounding it are also things that I love, such as makeup, adventures, the beach, things that are pink. Yes, I am very girly, and I absolutely adore summer. I love swimming, being out in the sun, and having a good time with my friends. I hope that you have been able to relate to a couple things, at least to maybe things that I like, but if not, that's all right too. The thing that I love the most is getting to learn new things and to become a better educator. So I can't wait to see what I'm going to learn this semester. Thank you guys for watching and have a great year.